gonna take like 2 months off, hopefully, depending on how I recover.
Okay, when you do?
May 24th.
Well, you're too fast.
See my pump here. Hard gel. It really, I mean, it looks like hard gel, but I'm wondering if they use anything so called underneath.
What do you use? What kind of gel do you use?
I use all Korean brand gels. You know what design you want to do today?
No, it looks like you got a bunch of them back there.
Have you tried like something sparkly? Over 150. Does this not hurt? It's so cut.
Really?
I tried to shake it, find a way to get you off my mind. Really tried to draw that line. One look from you, I'm praying I could call you mine. Baby, you got my hands tied. No more games. Can't we just say its name instead of running away and jumping the gun to play it safe? Oh, it's been a weekend here in this bed we can sleep in and let the feelings overflow. Useless trying to fight this. Let's just give in and let the feelings overflow. It's been a weekend here in this bed we can sleep in and let the feelings overflow. Useless trying to fight this. Let's just give in and let the feelings overflow. Weekend here in this bed we can sleep in and let the feelings overflow. Useless trying to fight this. Let's just give in and let the feelings overflow.
Is that one piece? Or do you build it?
That's one piece. I would never.
I was like,
I don't think I
Where did you get these crystals?
Korea.
Oh.
While I was in Korea.
There's another light here.
Yeah. It's hard to find one here.
here on one end, so like what is it?
Yeah, yeah.